Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so well. I hope life is treating you okay. So today we are going to be doing a Zoom makeup tutorial for your everyday Zoom meetings that are going to last you all day, all the way through to your quiz in the evening with your friends. It is Friday today. I've got a full day of work ahead of me. I'm going to wear this makeup for my Zoom meetings, for my regular day, and I've got a Zoom quiz at 8 p.m. So I'm gonna check back with you guys after that to show you how my makeup is looking. Today's video is in partnership with KVD Vegan Beauty, which is so exciting. They asked me to help them celebrate their launch into Boots. They are now available on Boots, which is so exciting. You can purchase all of the products that I've used in this video on the Boots site. It's like a kind of pinky, greeny type vibe. This looks great on Zoom, great on camera, and it's gonna last you all day. KVD Vegan Beauty products are super high quality. Some of them I have loved for such a long time. For example, the tattoo liner in Trooper, which I used to create this massive wing today. I have loved this liner for so many years and I'm so excited to be working with them to show you some other products that I love. Of course, the vinyl lip creams that you guys know I love, the shade Blossom. I have been wearing so much. So yeah, I'm really excited to be working with them on this video and I hope you guys enjoy this look. All right, I apologize if you can hear Tim talking. He's in a meeting right now. There's now I can do about it. Let's pull back my hair. So in the last video where I did makeup, I matched my hair to my eyeshadow and my hair was much more pink. It's now kind of like an ashy, purpley kind of color. So I thought that the Lolita Por Vida palette, I thought that this would be perfect because it's got, oh my god, these colors, lovely kind of purpley tones and also some really gorgeous warm tones. This glitter is just a joke how stunning that is. There's about 4 different eyeshadow looks that I want to do today and I don't know which one to do. Ooh. So let's start with base. I'll come back to that. So as you can probably tell, I'm breaking out, but rather than going for like a thick cakey coverage all over, which normally I love, but rather than doing that, I thought I would do a light coverage and then a really heavy coverage concealer. So of course I'm gonna prime first and I'm gonna use the KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It primer. This is their hydrating base because I'm in need of some hydration today, and this is just gonna help the makeup last all day because we have got a long busy day ahead of us. So yeah, like I was saying, I think I'm gonna go for like a light coverage foundation, not heavy in texture, but a heavy coverage concealer, because on Zoom, it kind of blurs your skin. Like your face looks pretty even. However, like blemishes obviously will show, but your actual overall skin texture isn't massively apparent via Zoom. So you don't have to wear loads of foundation all over your face because it's just unnecessary. Just even everything out, give yourself a little bit of color and then go in with concealer where you need it. I love this primer. It's a lovely kind of sticky base, so you feel like anything you put on top is really gonna stick, which is what we like. And also I feel hydrated and it's given me a little bit of a glow as well, which we love. We love that around here. Like I said, for foundation, we're gonna go for a slightly lighter coverage or something more lightweight, but we want something that's gonna last all day. So I'm gonna use the KVD Vegan Beauty True Portrait Liquid to Powder Foundation. So this will set and last all day. I'm gonna use the shade Medium 036. And I like it because it's got a dropper and these colored bits here are like squeezy. Boop. And you've seen me use this brush before. It's the KVD number 10. I really like the shape of it. So I'm gonna use this today. Look at that, stunning. So this feels so light on your face. It's a stunning finish. And it's a matte, which I think you guys know. I tend to shy away from matte foundations, but I shy away from them because I have a more dry skin and I hate feeling dry. This is like a really natural matte, like it doesn't feel like a matte, if you know what I mean. It's like a skin-like kind of matte, which we love. And this brush is so good because you can kind of almost like swipe it whilst you buff it. It's really quick. And I know I said like we're going for a lighter coverage, but this still gives you like a good amount of coverage. You can make it really light. You could definitely wear it as a sheerer coverage. I also love this brush for going around my eyebrows. It's so satisfying. You can definitely use this as a sheer foundation, but you can also build it up to a full. We, dare I say, stan a versatile queen. Isn't that such a stunning finish? It's like got a little bit of a sheen to it, but it feels already like it's setting. And then I am going to conceal with a full coverage concealer. So these are the KVD Vegan Beauty Lock-It concealers. I'm going to use M17 and M27, and they're both the warm shade. So I'm taking M27, slightly darker color, to hide any blemishes or any redness around my nose, and then the lighter shade to highlight. I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Let's do the eyes next. So I've got a couple of KVD Vegan Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I've got the Shade and Light eye palette, which I love. Perfect for every day. Like, this is such a great palette to have. It's got your white, it's got your black, it's got your warms, your cools, and your neutrals. It's got brow shades. You could use this to highlight your cheekbones. You could use this to contour. Like, it is such a good all-round palette. But I'm going to use the Lolita palette because I want to play with some colour today and I want to do something a bit mauvey. Enamorada? With the KVD Vegan Beauty number 40. I'm going to take this shade almost as like a base, just all over the lid. I'm now going to go in with the colour Amorcito. And I'm going to pop this through the crease. Look at this pigment. So when it comes to Zoom makeup, I think it's nice to have some sort of kind of depth around the eyes just to really enhance them. Pick a feature that you want to stand out. Like, do you want your lips to be the feature? Do you want your eyes? Today I want my eyes to be the feature. And I'm gonna kind of play with the whole fox eye trend that is huge at the moment. So I'm pulling all of my shadows just up and out like this, like up at this angle. Now I'm gonna take Lolita Por Vida and I'm just gonna begin to tap this on the outer corner. Again, we're following this kind of angle up. I'm now going to go back in with the KVD 40 brush and I'm going to take Carino on the flat part of the brush, like that. Because I think this would be really good for like stamping on the shape. That worked really well. You see how easy that just like, I just stamped on the shape and now you've got such a clear guideline for the shape of the rest of the eyeshadow. Easy peasy. I'm gonna blend it out with Muñeca just to begin cooling this down. Cute, okay, cool. I was gonna do this taupey color, but I think I'm gonna use Sonrisa because it's like a green and a purple. It's kind of both colors, so I'm going to put that on my lid. On the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to take Preciosa. Now it's time for one of the most famous KVD Vegan Beauty products ever. It is their tattoo liner. I've used this for so many years. Like, I have had this in my collection for as long as I can remember. It is the easiest, darkest, blackest liquid liner ever. I love it so much. So I'm so excited. So I'm very excited to use this today, and I'm gonna do a little wing and just follow the natural shape that we've already created. Okay, I got a little bit carried away with the old liner, but they look nice, huh? Okay, I'm gonna go straight in with some mascara. This is the KVD Vegan Beauty Go Big or Go Home mascara. I'm personally not one to wear lashes for a Zoom meeting. I mean, if you are, great for you. Go for it. It's just not my vibe. I can't be bothered. And this mascara is so good, you don't need it. Okay, time to set my skin. So I'm gonna use the KVD Vegan Beauty Shade and Light contour palette. And one of my favorite brushes from them. This is the number 4. It is so soft and amazing for setting under your eyes. This powder is so great for brightening. And then I'm also going to set the rest of my face with the Lock-It powder in medium 150. I really like this powder. I've been using it quite a bit recently. And I'm using the number 20 brush. And I really like this powder because it's got a bit of coverage. So again, if you're going in with a slightly lighter coverage foundation, this will just also help to even it out, and it will also allow it to last all damn day. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Shade and Light, and I'm gonna use the contour shade and contour my cheeks. And I even like it to contour my nose, and that's saying something. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more Enamorada. Struggling with these names. Softly under the eye. Okay, next I'm gonna take the KVD Vegan Beauty Cake Pencil in Whiteout, and I'm gonna pop this on my waterline to brighten my eyes and make them look bigger. Because I cannot stop myself, I have to use this shade here, Raina. And then I'm just gonna mascara the lower lash line, again, using the Go Big or Go Home mascara. Done. Now, my next tip for Zoom makeup is to wear blush. You need some color on your cheeks because it washes you out so much and it will just make you look a little bit healthier. So I'm gonna use the KVD Vegan blush in the shade Peony. These are the Everlasting blushes. They are gorgeous. You've seen me use a couple of these shades already. I absolutely love these. And I'm just taking that same big brush to highlight. I am going to take a little bit of Preciosa, which I put on the inner corner. Oh, that is very nice. Okay, for my lips, these won't be a shock to you because you will have heard me talk about them a lot on my channel. They are the KVD Vegan Beauty Vinyl Lip Cremes or Cream. I love these so much. Here I've got the shade Lolita and Blossom. Blossom is the color I wear all the time, and I think I'm gonna mix the two together because the Lolita is like the OG shade that is like matches the palette. So I'm gonna put a bit of Lolita on and then a little bit of Blossom in the center. First, I'm gonna line my lips with Bow and Arrow. First in with Lolita. These smell, oh my God, just, they are the best smelling lip product ever. And this is going on the outer corners. And then Blossom is going in the center. I'm actually just gonna go tap it between my fingers and just tap the excess on my cheeks. Just like that. So here we go, here is the look. I would also recommend doing your hair because I feel like on Zoom, your hair can cover a lot, you know, so just cover your head. It draws attention to your eyes and it structures your face, but it's not too much. It's not loads and loads of makeup, and it's a lighter foundation, really comfortable to wear, and it has set now to a matte finish. Yeah, I'm gonna check back with you guys in a few hours because I've got a Zoom quiz tonight, so I will show you guys how I look after a whole day of work. all the way through to the Zoom quiz. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so it is about an hour and a half since I put the makeup on. Here's how it looks in the sunlight. Stunning. I'm actually gonna sit in the sun for a couple of hours, so we'll see how the makeup holds out, and yeah, just live my life and hope that the makeup lasts all day. So I'll keep you guys updated, but let's see how it takes an hour or so of sunbathing. It was very strange to sunbathe in makeup, I'm not gonna lie. Hi, so we're on hour 6.5 of me wearing this makeup. Here is how we're looking. No changes, coverage is still there. Everything is still looking good. And I'm gonna be honest, I got a migraine headache about 2 hours ago, so I've actually been in bed for the past hour and a half asleep. So this makeup has been slept on, which I don't know about you guys, but when I sleep in my makeup I look like a hot mess instantly when I wake up. Lipstick, I haven't touched it up. My mascara hasn't smudged. My liner is still perfect. I'm genuinely so impressed at how well this is holding up. I was planning on doing a workout and testing it through sweat, but I really don't feel very well. I'm really sorry, but I did sweat in the sun. So I have tested it through sunbathing rather than exercise sweat. So heat sweat rather than exercise sweat, and it didn't melt. Like, I still look pretty matte as well. I really don't look shiny. Pretty damn good, to be honest, especially for 6.5 hours wet. The quiz is in an hour and a half, and I'm not even slightly worried that I'm gonna look rough for the quiz. I might feel rough, but I'm not gonna look it. Good evening, everyone. It is now 10 to 10, which means that this makeup has been on for over 10 hours, and I haven't touched up. Look at my liner. It still looks perfect. My lipstick is now basically gone, but I'm so impressed with how my makeup still looks. Just had a Zoom call with the fam and I looked great, obviously. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how the products have held out. I would definitely use all of these products again, especially if I know I need my makeup to last all day. I think it looks great still. So what do you guys think? Look at that, highlight, blush, contour, all still very much in place even after being napped on. Lol. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link all of the KVD vegan beauty products down below, now available on boots.com. So exciting. Thank you for working with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.